Welcome to Willowbrook Apiary and Homestead. It's been a long time since I've posted a video. Um, had a pretty strange time during COVID, and then lost all my bees. But yesterday I was able to travel out to my brother's house in Western New York and help him out in a situation where he had bees ready to swarm and no place to put them. So, spur of the moment, I drove 4 hours and picked up 3 packages, 3 nukes. Technically, I picked up 2 nucleus hives and a swarm out of an apple tree hid by his bee yard. So we're getting ready to put the swarm into a new home, and then we'll bring the nukes over and get them situated also. So let's do it. So if you're new to my channel, thank you. Thank you for the new subscribers. The channel has grown in my absence, ironically. If you haven't yet liked the video and subscribed to the channel, please do so. It would help me out greatly. And hopefully we'll be having some more regular bee content coming up soon. Willowbrook Apiary and Homestead, happy bees, healthy honey. God bless.